The word anyone is very useful in English. It helps us talk about no specific person or anybody at all. Anyone means no particular person. It refers to any person at all, without naming who. A common mistake is confusing anyone with someone. Anyone is more general, while someone means one particular person. Use anyone with positive and negative sentences like "Is anyone here?" "Anyone can try," or questions like "Does anyone know?" Anyone can learn English. Did anyone call me? I don't know anyone at this party. If anyone needs help, ask me. A boy asked, "Is anyone here?" He wanted help, but no name, just anyone. Someone kind appeared to help him. Think of anyone as any one person at all, from thousands or millions, not a special one. Now you know anyone means no particular person. Try using it today and see how easy it is.